In this video, we'll be replacing the throttle assembly on the Apollo Phantom for the newer keyless throttle. The tools you'll need for this job are flush cutters, some zip ties, a 5 and a 3mm Allen key. First, we're going to remove the quick connects. We can then remove our keys and use a 3mm hex key to remove the mode cluster. We can just pull it off like this, let it hang to the side. What we want to do now is remove our grip, then the brake handle, then the ignition. So it's this, you can just twist it off with force. There we go. We will then use a 5mm Allen key or hex key to remove the brake handle. We can put this screw to the side. We can just pull this off now. Like this. We'll then take a 3mm Allen key to remove our ignition / throttle. Just need to remove the screw that locks it into the bar. And we can then pull this out. Up next, you're going to take your new throttle, insert it on the bar. Once you have it in place, take a 3mm hex key and tighten it just so it doesn't move. So there we go. We can then put our brake handle back on. If your brake line has come out, we just pull and put it back in like this. We can then take our 5mm Allen key and our screw. This can be adjusted to preference, of course. That should be good. We can now take our mode cluster, make sure the M is right side up. That means the wire is going to go from up and then through here on the way down to connect to the display. So we can widen this up, put it on here like this. We can then take our screw, take our 3mm hex key, tighten this up quite a bit. And of course, you can adjust all these components to your preference. This should be good. Then we're going to pass our wire on down with the other one. Then connect it to our display. Make sure to have both arrows pointing in the same direction and repeat the process. There you have it. Now all that's left to do is zip tie all our cables back together and put the handlebar grip back on. Make sure to leave enough wiggle room on your wires like this. We can then use our flush cutters and cut. And there you go. Last thing to do here is reinstall our grip. So this can be just pushed in. And there we go. And that's how you change the throttle on the Apollo Phantom.